Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Professional Mukbang. This is the Mukbang show where I eat something spicy. You just kind of kick it there and watch. Today we've got Nissin with their new hot and spicy Firewalk Screamin Sichuan beef flavor. And I have a prepared plate right here, which is fantastic, wonderful, and interesting. And that's what I am going to mukbangify. But I do need some help from the local children. All right, look, children have appeared. So can I get a ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go!
So how are you guys doing?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're on Christmas break, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm in rental vacation.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, that's pretty good. And you just had a birthday. How old are you now?
7.
7 years old, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey.
And he's 8. And you just got a shot yesterday. How'd that go, Miles?
It was kind of good.
Yeah?
Yeah, and I'm getting the Dog Man unleashed on January 2nd.
Are you?
Yes,
Yeah,
I am.
you like the Dog Man stuff.
Yes,
the
I
book
like
series.
Yes, I like Dog Man book series.
Well, why don't you guys go play some tablet and have some fun, and then we're going to go do something fun after I'm done eating this spicy noodle, okay?
Okay.
All right, love you. So this one, I will definitely say I liked the other one better. As far as Sichuan pepper, I know from the ingredients that it's in there. I'm getting it a bit, but oddly enough, generally Chinese varieties of instant noodles, like from China, they have so much Szechuan pepper that you can't distinguish other flavors for it. This one, or from the Szechuan pepper, this one is more of the opposite. There's other flavors going on that I'm trying to like suss out exactly what they are the more I have it. But there's also Szechuan pepper too. Well, you know, the more I have it, the less I like it. And I'm gonna have to kind of give this one a thanks for sending it to me, Nissin, but I'm not feeling it with this. I'm really not. Done. Is it spicy? Yeah. And is it spicier than the chicken one? Yeah. Do I like it though? No, not so much. It's just kind of got this, I don't know, but I don't like it. I wish I did. I kind of hoped I would, but no, this does not float my boat at all. So, as far as the whole line of the Firewalk varieties go, this would not be my least favorite. I think the one I liked the least was the shrimp one. I don't think I like the Mongolian beef bowl one either. But my favorite definitely was the sizzling rich pork bowl. That one is really good. Definitely top 10 USA quality. Good stuff. Yeah, this one, it's just not working for me. But the chicken teriyaki one, which doesn't really taste like teriyaki, it just has a sweetness element, that one was good too. So that one and the pork one, those two are my favorites. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. I hope you're having a great holiday season. Do you guys want to scream at the nice people?
Yes.
Alright, well hey, this has been Hans, and this has been
Miles.
And this has been
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.